I got 22 pairs of hair rings that doesn't have the clip. Like if you don't have holes in your hair, you can use it. And it has 10 styles with 10 pairs, and you can just connect them in different ways. And you just put it in your ears like this, and it doesn't feel, it hangs in there. It doesn't feel as if it's gonna come off. Let me do the other part. So this is really good for kids, it's good for adults, works really, really well. This ones come with screws in them. So you just take the screws and you can use the screws to tighten it, and it stays on really well. They come in gold. You also have studs in there that you could use. So here's the rose gold one. Very, very nice design. So retractable, I won't say hook but clip, it retracts. And you could use this one. This is how I like it. So if I want to put it right up here, I could use it. So I'm just going to show you how that looks. And since it's retractable, it just stays in. So you see, I don't need to pierce my ears. I just put it like that, and it looks so cute. I think it looks so cute. So without me piercing my hairs, and it doesn't hurt, it doesn't pinch at all. I absolutely love it. I love it, and I think it's so beautiful.